Alright, tonight's homework is, tonight is Wednesday, and tonight's homework, we have 2 division problems, and we have a vocabulary question about the division problem. Now, these division problems we should be able to do on our own by now, okay? But I'm going to work out, them out, but I will not be working out tomorrow night's homework, okay? Because you should be able to do these 2 on your own, okay? I may post the answers, but I'm not going to post how to work them out. Starting right here, the answer to a division problem is called the what? Okay, this is on your notes page, okay? But think about it. We've had 3 vocab words so far. We've had divisor, dividend, and if you think about it, it starts with the Q, quotient. Okay, which one of those is the answer to the division problem? I'm going to let you pick. Okay, you should know those. All right, let's start with right here. We have 20 and 22 hundredths divided by 6. So we do not have a decimal in our divisor, so there's no need to move any decimals like we talked about today. We do have a decimal in the dividend, so that means we need to bring our decimal straight up and plant it. Now we don't have to worry about a decimal any longer. So now we can just get on with regular division. We're going to ask ourselves, how many times will 6 go into 2? 0 times. Brought on our 0. So we have 6 will go into 20. Well, I know my multiples of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24. 24 is too big, so we got to back up to 18, which is 3 times. Subtract, and I have 2 left over. I'm going to bring down my 2. We're going to be in the same situation here, but we're going to have to use 3 again for 18. When I subtract, I have 4 left over. Bring down my 2. And this is where you need to know your multiplication facts. 6 will go into 42 how many times? That's right, 7 times. We have nothing else to bring down. We have no remainder, so that means we are finished. For the second problem, we do have a decimal in our divisor, so we learned today that means we have to move it over, okay? Whatever we do to the divisor, we have to do to the dividend. So we moved it once there, so we're going to move it once here. Now we can move it up and plant it, okay? How many times will 5 go into 2? 0 times. Bring down our 0. 5 will go into 24 times. This is where a lot of us mess up at times. We have a space over the 2, so something has to go into 2. We know 5 can't go into 2. So that's where we put our 0, okay? Some of you miss that sometimes. I'm going to bring down our 2. 5 will go into 22, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Can't use 25, so we got to go with 20. All right. I don't have anything else to bring down, and I have a remainder. We already have a decimal, so we don't add another decimal, but we do add a 0. Bring that 0 down. We have 20. We know that 5 will go into 24 times. Now we have nothing else to bring down, and we have 0 remainder, so our answer is 40 and 44 hundredths.